Hi everyone, back again. I'm going to show you how to attach your put your flowers together into a spray. And what I'm going to do this time, because they're on thin wires, I'm going to use a 20 gauge wire to attach the flowers to. So I'm just going to tilt the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. So here I have my 20 gauge wire. I've attached the tape to the top of the wire to start off with, and I'm going to start off by attaching the ivy leaves. That one's moving around a bit. So I'm going to attach those to the top of this wire, get that started. Bring it down a bit, and like we do with all the other sprays, your first flower is going to go in between your leaves. So there we have your first flower. So the leaves are behind the first flower. Just bring that leaf out and tape on. And then start alternating your flowers. So the next one goes behind it but slightly to one side. I'm just going to alter my camera down a little bit more. I've just got a new tripod that's not going to drop down like the other one did, so you can see what I'm doing. Right, okay. So then I'm going to put the next one in. You can adjust your flowers once you've got them into the spray. So the main thing at the moment is to get it assembled. So I've done a white one there, so we'll put a lilac one in, which will go back to that side. And then put a pink one in there behind that. Now with all kinds of sprays you can't keep going down like that, you need to make it a bit wider. So I'm going to put in another white one there to that side. Then we'll put a red one in to that side. And then I'm going to put a lilac one in between. Like that. Then we can come back a bit further. I'm going to put another red one in to that side. Then we'll put a white one into that side. Just pull that wire down. If you find that they're a bit high up, just get hold of your wires and just pull them into position. Make sure that your tape is kept tight, otherwise you will have them swinging around. And then I'm going to put a pink one in behind those two there in the middle. I'm going to tape down now, further down, so that when I put my leaves in, or any other flowers, depending on how big you want to make your spray, they've got something to grip to. And go back up again, put the tape in. Then you can adjust your flowers around then to get them as you want them. And at this point I can put some more flowers in if I wish. So we've got some more spare ones here, so we'll put another, we'll have a red one in the middle I think. We'll put a lilac one to that side. We'll have a white one on that side. Sorry if I keep going out of camera shot, but it gets a bit difficult to handle when you get quite a lot of flowers in. And then we'll put a red one in the middle. And then to finish it off, so we can twist this round, so we've got so far with it, and then I'm just going to put some ivy in behind the flowers, so I'm just going to pop that behind for now until I've got it taped in, and then we'll put another piece of ivy on the other side behind there. Like that. At the moment in time all I want to do is to get them attached, then you can adjust as you wish once you've got them in. Take the tape off. If you get hold of the wire behind, and then you can bend everything into place like that. Now if I put this down on my board so you can see what I'm doing, just lower that camera down a bit more.